All right, so welcome to the inside of the course. I'm so glad that you joined me. So there's two things that I need to tell you now that are kind of important instructions about how to use this course. So the first thing and kind of the most important thing is up here in the attachments area. What I need you to do is download the PDF that I have created that goes along with this course, okay? And that PDF has all the links that you're going to need to go to the websites that we are going to be using. So I have it all nicely printed out for you in one place. Just go download that and put it onto your desktop. And the reason you should just put it on your desktop is because we're going to need it, and so you can just find it quickly and easily from there, okay? So that's the first thing. Download that, put it on your desktop. And the second thing is that I am not a professional investor and I am not giving you investing or financial advice. I'm just giving you an educational step-by-step walkthrough that's going to show you how you can choose to invest on your own. I'm just showing you the mechanics behind it. This is not investment advice, and I take no responsibility for any financial choices that you make or losses that you potentially make. I'm just showing you how this works. The rest is your responsibility, okay? That's really important. And the second thing, and really the most important thing, is never, never, never invest money that you're not ready to lose, okay? So if you can't comfortably pay your car payment because of investing, or if you can't comfortably pay your apartment bill because of investing, that is not money that you want to invest. You want to have the mindset that once you invest that money, it's gone. It has to be money that you are willing to lose and can comfortably live without if you do lose it. Okay, that's really, really important. Okay, that's just really important advice for you. And this is also how I do it. I'm ready to lose everything. Okay. And I can comfortably continue to pay all my bills if I do lose everything. So it kind of becomes a game more than something that keeps me awake at night, okay? All right, so that's really important. Those are the two main things that I need to tell you before we get into the course. And now, without any further ado, let's get onto my laptop and let me show you the first step to buying your first cryptocurrency. All right, I'll see you there. Bye-bye.